Hey guys, and welcome back to this rainy Monday reset to start your week off right. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend and are ready for a fresh new week ahead. This week I have for you some cleaning motivation and organising, shopping for autumn foliage, plus I finally finished my autumn wreath and garland from last week's video. As well as this, I have Manicurist's new autumn 2023 stunning nail polish collection to share with you guys. So have a great start to the week and give this video a big thumbs up if it gave you the motivation you needed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and let's get right into the video. I'm just about to do my nails, and I said at the beginning I would share with you the new autumn colours from Manicurist. Now if you haven't heard of Manicurist before, then they are a French brand, and I did a whole video about their lead nail polish system that I'll link down below. I love all of the beautiful colours they do, and the thing I really appreciate about this system is the removal only takes 60 seconds, which is amazing. They also do normal nail polish, so I'll leave their website down below. I do have a code for them as well, which is Nails Laura for 15% off. So there is 4 new shades and then a 5th shade that makes up the collection that isn't new. That is a gorgeous burgundy wine red. And then the new shades are these, starting off with this fern green. This is called Artichoke, and I absolutely love this colour for autumn. I was a really big fan of the lighter shades of green for the summer, so this is a beautiful transition into autumn. Next up we have Sage. So this to me is like a grey bluey green. It's very chic on the nails, especially a short nail, but all of these colours you can play around with and do nail art and things like that. Next up we have this very pretty shade called Metallic. To me this is a very subtle metallic. It is a pewter, so it's not over the top pure gold or silver. It's just a nice in-between shade. Lastly we have another one of my favourites. This is Brick. It is a reddy brown, again a very chic colour for autumn and going into winter. So I think today I am going to go for the Brick shade. To me this just screams autumn in a bottle.